So this is my new phone. I am currently filming in 4K. So you can see all of the pores in my face, hairs in my nose, all of the imperfections. For your viewing pleasure. So we're doing syrup in 4K today, making some sugar. Woo! That'll toast your eyebrows right there. Wow, that's hot. .4K, baby. So we're in 4K today. I don't know if this camera's in 4K, but I'll turn you around. Sap tanks are gone. Got the old sap pipe. So this is where our jug line's gonna go. So this is the filler. That was nice. So this is what we picked up right there. Apes. So this will do, it's an 8-head filler for plastic jugs. Mike, you're in 4K.
Yeah, the hard workers in 4K. Let's go.
That's right. You can see all the sweat droplets. Organic sweat droplets. So here they go. £41. There's the new forklift from HGR. Working. It's been working. So original price was $26.39. I got it for $2,100. And she's working good. Ah, the red light's still on. Let's see if I can find Dino. We are touring in 4K today. Looks like we're waiting on some boxes. Don't see Dino. Maintenance room. This is going to get moved out. So that's our future lab. We're actually going to end up moving maintenance down to that corner. And then we're going to add an addition using the sawmill. We're going to put on an addition for maintenance, make maintenance a bigger area. That's the plan. I might as well walk out and show you the plan. So let's go for a walk. We're gonna walk outside. All right, it's bright. Let me flip you around here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come off this building right here with a lean-to. Just come right off. This will all be concrete. Put a wall. And then I'm going to put timber frame. I'd like to come out about 20 feet. So it's actually over here. That door will be gone. That door needs replaced, and the amount of money it takes to replace a commercial door, I might as well put concrete and add, 600 square feet for maintenance. So we'll have room to work, extra wall space. And yeah, we gotta probably dig all this out, put some footers in or something. So sap tanks, there's only one left, so those are sitting out there ready to go. There's our platforms. This is all really just a test to see how well this phone does compared to my old one. So it should be an upgrade. There's a pretty good breeze, so I'm just testing it. Shut this door. There's definitely some bees around. Bees like maple syrup. Have I ever shown you a video of what the bees look like around here with the maple sugar. Listen, I got some close-up footage of what the bees look like when they're eating maple sugar, so let me clip to that right now. That's what they look like up close. So yep, sap tanks are gone. I hear stuff going on down here. Hannah's in here working maybe. Nope. Ah, there's the extra section. I thought there was 3 sections. I thought I heard noise. You're in 4K. You're in 4K, Hannah. I am curious if this camera right here is in 4K as well. So, anyways, I got a call coming in. Yeah, I gotta talk over this music or I'll get flagged. I have to talk over this music mic or it'll get flagged. So are these working pretty good now?
Yeah. I had to change the thermometer on number 2 here because they were actually multi-button.
It was starting to work wrong or something?
What's that?
It was starting to work wrong?
Correct.
Gotcha. Which one do you like more? You like this one more because it's on your phone, right?
I do.
This one is not?
It is not. This one's almost ready. To see, it's bouncing around now. I think I might
I got you.
change that thermocouple.
Same thing. I don't think these are designed for this industrial of an application. Really good for the old meat, cooking meat and stuff like that. Right. You're in HD, Mike. You're in HD. Listen, let's see that mustache. Let's see that mustache in HD. It's in HD. Sometimes I get away with using a little music in the background. I like to push my luck. Right? So do you think that sugar got just beat up a lot more? Just mixed it a little too long? Now, baby, another brick in the wall. Did you get her?
Yeah.
You're in HD. 4K, Jess. Hit him.
Complete to end the battle. Pass to number 9, Devin Salinas.
Sometimes I get away with using a little music in the background.